Question is, as we know, good planning can save energy, time and money. A farmer wants to construct a circular well and square garden in his land. Okay, he wants to keep the sum of their perimeter 600 meter. Sum of perimeter of circular well and square garden is 600 meter. Now radius of the circular garden be r meter and side of the square be x meter. Then sum of area s is. Now we have been given sum of their perimeter. Okay, so first we will find, since radius is r and side is x. Okay, so perimeter of square plus circumference of circle equal to 600. This is given. So perimeter of square means 4x and this is 2 pi r, so 600. Okay, so this is the condition and we need to find area, sum of the area that is given by s. So s is area of circle plus area of square. That means pi r square plus side square. Now here in all the options only r term is there. If you see, x is not there. That means from this condition, using parameter condition, we need to find x value, and that can be 4x equal to 600 minus 2 pi r. So x will be 600 minus 2 pi r whole divided by 4 pi. 4 only will come. Okay, now this x value will substitute here in area formula. So answer will be pi r square will be there, then x square means 600 minus 2 pi r divided by 4 whole square. So if you see the options, first options we can say it is correct and we have to change some misprint maybe, so minus we should keep. So first option is correct, pi r square plus 600 minus 2 pi r whole divided by 4 whole square. Okay, so this is our area. Next question is radius of circular well. So to find that, we will go with the area formula, which is pi r square. Okay, and 4 if we take out, it will give 1 by 16, 600 minus 2 pi r whole square. So ds by dr we can find here 2 pi r plus 1 by 16 is a coefficient into 2 times 600 minus 2 pi r into derivative of this will be minus 2 pi. So 2 pi r, this 2 can cancel with the 16, we will get 4 in denominator and that is also minus 1 by 4, 600 minus 2 pi r, and pi also will remain here. Okay, now we will put ds by dr 0. So we will get 2 pi r minus pi by 4 times 600 minus 2 pi r equal to 0. That is 2 pi r equal to pi by 4, 600 minus 2 pi r. This pi we can cancel. 8r we can write 600 minus 2 pi r. So now r terms we can take together. R we can take common. Actually 2r we can take common. So 4 plus pi will remain and 600. So r will be 600 by 2 into pi plus 4. This 2 if you cancel, so r will be 300 by pi plus 4. So final answer will be B and C. Both options are same, so we'll go with B. Okay, suppose if the option repeats, so you go with the first option, which comes first. So B and C both are same, but B comes first alphabetically, so we'll take B option. For the given condition, second order derivative. So we should check second order derivative. We got ds by dr as 2 pi r minus 1 by 4 600 minus 2 pi r. Pi is also there. This is our ds by dr. So we will differentiate again here with respect to r. So here 2 pi will come. Pi by 4 we can take as coefficient. This will be 0 and minus 2 pi. So 2 pi and plus this 2 to the 4 will go pi square by 2. Okay, which will be positive always. This answer will be positive because pi square is also positive, pi is also positive, and addition of two positive number will be positive. So we can write C option is correct. That means S will be least. Okay, area will be least at the radius. That is not asked, but we can conclude at the radius 300 by 4 plus pi. Next question is relationship between side of the square means x and radius of the circular garden means r. So in the very first step, we got the relation between x and r. That is, x is given by 600 minus 2 pi r divided by 4. Okay, 4x is 600 minus 2 pi r. And r value we got as 300 by pi plus 4. So if I shift this pi plus 4 here, I will get pi r plus 4r equal to 300. Okay, throughout multiply by 2 if I do here. So 2 pi r plus 8r equal to 600. So 2 pi r I can write as 600 minus 8r using this radius expression. Okay, so I will write 2 pi instead of 2 pi r here, I will write 600 minus 8r. So already minus is there outside. I'll write in bracket. So 4x is equal to 600 minus 600 plus 8r. 600 will go. 4x is equal to 8r. So x will be twice of r. Okay. So x is twice of r. So here a means x value is given. So we can go with the option D. X is twice of r. And suppose if they ask what will be the side of the square, that time we can just write 2 into 300 by 4 plus 5. That means 600 by 4 plus 5. This is your side of the square. Question number 5 is find the number which exceeds its square by the greatest possible. If you see this question, this is different from other 4 questions. All other 4 questions were based on the case study. Means that application of derivative maxima minima 5-mark question. Using that question, we can give answer to different sub questions, isn't it? But here this is totally different. So it requires thinking process from the starting. From the starting, you have to think. Anyway, it is not for 1 mark if you see. If you solve this question should be for 2 or 3 marks at least. So if they give such kind of questions at this position, means fifth questions place, so better avoid this question. Okay, try to give answers for those questions which are related to single question. Okay, so that will be easy, and you will require less time to solve such questions. Otherwise it will be time consuming to solve one different question other than case study. But here we will solve. Find the number which exceeds its square by the greatest possible. So let the number be x. Okay, what is given? That number exceeds its square. So square of number will be x square. Okay, so our function is x minus x square, and we should find this number which exceeds its square by its greatest possible. Greatest possible means for this function we should find maximum value. Okay, maximum value of x. So we'll go with the usual procedure. We'll find f dash of x here, which is 1 minus 2x. Put f dash of x 0. 1 minus 2x will be 0. 1 equal to 2x, so x equal to half. Okay, Now check double order derivative. That will be minus 2, which is less than 0. That means f of x will be greatest, will be maximum only, will be greatest, and for any values of x. So here we got x value as half. So at x equal to half. So that value is not asked, only this x value is asked. So for that our answer will be 1 by 2.